Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we're performing a very simple repair on a toilet that we only know how to do because of Facey Cuson. That's right. One time Casey came to my house and there were people in my house, and for some reason one person said to a different person, "I don't really know how a toilet works," and Casey goes, "Come with me to the bathroom." And then, in her Casey way, stood in the bathroom, a very small bathroom with like half a dozen people, explaining how a toilet works. Now, this information, unfortunately, is not helping me a great deal when it comes to removing the broken part, which is supposed to come off really easily. What the? Come on. I have broken this, and that is why it is broken. Let's just be real. But I purchased at the toilet store this key device. Boom! That's right. Assembly without chain. You know why? Because the chain's in there, and the chain's not the problem. 'Tis the handle, which I'm gonna investigate this one. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. It's just supposed to unscrew. It's just supposed to unscrew! Unscrew. Oh my god, I yelled at it and now it's doing what I told it to do. Incredible. Alright, and then, just very simply, you remove that from the thing. You put it in the, bend it slightly, that's good. And then just, return it right back onto there, scribbly. You know, I'm not gonna do that, so if this needs to get adjusted in the future, it can be! And then, what's that? Plunge your hand into the cold toilet tank, retrieve the chain, attach it to, just flush it once for fun. Just for fun. Attach the chain to the appropriate hole. Realize you're yelling for no reason. Daintily dry your hands on a towel that you should probably replace, and then all together now. Thank you, Casey!